Hi guys, back again, another new product for the Cooper S. So for the Gen 3 we've got these covers for the S's, so obviously a lot of people don't like the chrome around the outside. So we do these in gloss black and we also do them in carbon. Going to fit the gloss black one today for you all to see, so we'll peel the tape off that and we'll come back to you in a sec. So as you can see, I've peeled the tape off there. It's just obviously a matter of peeling the red backing off. And then obviously we're going to get the S. Careful not to touch anything. It's a nice cold day today, so I don't know how well this will go. We always advise warming the tape up obviously so you get a good adhesion, but it's just a matter of sticking that over, pressing it down, and there we go. So as you can see there, that transforms the look of the front end. Obviously normally most people would have this blacked out, the grille blacked out and everything. We've just done this one as a demo. It's the only one we had of an S because we obviously run the JCW, but as you can see there, it completely transforms it. So there it is guys, all fitted. You can buy these on our website www.kilochrome.co.uk. Plenty of other stuff on there, and obviously loads of other videos on here for the fitting, etc. So if you have a look round that, we'll just show you from the sides there. Completely covers all chrome, there's not one little bit exposed there, as you can see.
I don't know what the hell you gonna do when your looks start depleting and your friends all start leaving. You're so plastic and it's tragic just for you.